Welcome to another What's in Store. We're at Sutherlands home base visiting with manager Scott Johnson, and now's the time, isn't it?
Now is the time for any type of tree planting, shrub planting, and depending upon what time of the season it is for all your vegetable and flower needs. Pretty much flower needs you can do all throughout the summer. Sometimes the weather does dictate what type of plants you want to plant during the summertime.
And so when it comes to plants, we have all kinds: shrubs, trees, azaleas, flowering plants, potted plants.
Right. We also have tropicals besides all the main common citrus trees that are out there for the native to this area here in Louisiana.
So with all the different citrus, there's many other different types of plants that you have here also.
Right. We have a large assortment of fruit trees. It's going to be your apple, peach, plum, nectarines, and then a full line of tropical plants that we'll have here. We try to keep them year-round as long as we can.
And so now that we have all the plants and we've made our selections, everything for upkeep and care?
Right, and we also have all the things to take care of the maintenance of your trees, shrubs, and your flowers. We have from the mulches to mulching your trees, your shrub, and to beautify the front of your house or the back of your house. And we also have all the different insecticides to control insects from taking care of or damaging any of your plants, either it be a shade tree, a fruit tree, a citrus tree, as well as any of the funguses and the little bugs that get on there, little parasites and whatnot, to get a hold of them.
So we've got our plant selections, we've got our upkeep, we've got our care. What about landscaping?
On the landscaping part of it, we have, if you have your existing tree, you want to keep that mulch where it needs to be. We have the borders to go around a tree or your shrubbery area, or if you want to have a little rock garden, then we have all types of rock that's going to be available, from the small rock that's pea gravel up to a pond pebble that's about 1.5 inches to 2 inches in diameter. And then we also have the pavers if you want to do a small patio or a walkway. And with that small patio or walkway on the back side of the house, or to your rock garden or to your vegetable garden. And then we also have the retaining wall that you can, if you have a large slope on the back side or on the front side that you want to accentuate it with, two focal points of two different heights. We have the retaining wall that you can go up to 2 feet with it, and it'll help accent a look.
So now that we've selected our plants, we've got our upkeep, we even have some landscaping taken care of, let's do a little name drop in here and talk about some of the brands that we use to keep these plants healthy.
Well, we have the Miracle Grow line, which is from Scott's. We have the ones that's going to be for planting roses. We have the ones for your garden. We have the soils for potting mix for if you're going to do a small pot or a large planter on the back patio or on the front side of the house. We have the pots to do about all sizes of pots on the front or the back patio. And then we also have the material to do a raised bed, as well as the raised bed soil that's all organic.
And that's today's What's in Store on ABC 31 KLAX.